a nurse on the way to take the NCLEX exam but cannot decide which country to choose? Hello nurses, welcome to Academically. I am Sunidhi, your host. So, you are on an exciting journey right now. With the NCLEX exam, you can actually migrate to the United States, Canada and Australia. But what are the differences between the NCLEX process in these three countries? Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive all the fresh updates about building an overseas healthcare career. So we are going to discuss the differences in 4 areas. Number 1, step-by-step application. Number 2, experience. Number 3, the fees. And number 4, English requirements. So let's dive in. Step-by-step application. If you are talking about the NCLEX for the United States, you have 4 steps to follow. Document evaluation, ATT registration, scheduling of the NCLEX examination, licensure. The steps for Canada are as follows. Document verification, application for assessment RN eligibility, exam scheduling, licensure. Now, the steps for the NCLEX Australia are comparatively much easier and better. So here are the steps for Australia. Eligibility assessment, OBA, MCQ plus OSCE and registration. Now, moving on to the next criteria, experience. So guys, to take the NCLEX exam for the United States, the requirement for experience may vary on the board of nursing that you choose. All boards of nursing in the US do not require clinical working experience. Now, when it comes to Canada, all regulatory bodies in Canada require clinical working experience. To take the NCLEX exam for Australia, you need not require prior work experience. Now, what about the fees? The exam fees for these countries vary. The exam fees are not uniform and may be expressed in the currency of the country that you choose. The exam fees for the different steps may subject to change, and I highly recommend you to go through the official websites to find out the exact amount of the fee. Moving on to the last area of difference, English requirement. Similar to work experience, English requirements in the US may depend on the state board of nursing. Some of the boards do not mandate English proficiency. But in Canada and Australia, all the regulatory bodies require you to prove your English proficiency by taking tests such as IELTS or OET. If you feel that your nursing career in your home country is not thriving as it should be, or if you're curious to explore better opportunities for your homeland, the NCLEX exam is a great pathway to foreign registration. Now, if you need help or guidance with finding your way around the NCLEX examination, reach out to us right away. By filling out the form given in the description, you can actually get a free one-on-one counseling sessions with our experts at Academically. The NCLEX exam preparation course at Academically is definitely designed in a way to help you through the A to Z process. From document verification to a hassle-free migration process, you need not worry about anything. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share it with your nursing friends who are planning to move abroad. Also, I would love to know about your preferred country to work as a nurse. Please write them in the comment below. Comment down if you have any queries, any questions about the NCLEX examination or about becoming a nurse abroad. See you in my next video, and guys, we always notice that you don't subscribe to our channel but watch all our videos. Why not subscribe so that you can get all the notifications right away? Thank you so much. This is Sunidhi signing off.